Hello, this is David at My Time to Retire, and I made some transactions on Thursday, the 7th of November, to my $2.7 million portfolio. This portfolio is geared towards my early retirement, one that I hope to realize in the next 2 years, and I want to bring this portfolio up to about $3.3 million during that time. I'm jumping right into it. On the 7th of November, I purchased APD, Air Products and Chemicals. This is a position that I have added to at this time. I see this as a solid company. It has worldwide exposure and it benefits from a variety of industries. And I foresee coming growth, economic investment in these industries, oil and gas, chemical manufacturing, and metal manufacturing. So this was a purchase that I made of these 10 shares to an existing position. Bristol Myers, I sold. I sold, you see here, just over $5,000, bringing my holdings in Bristol Myers down to about $20,000. This is a great company, has a great dividend. I'm just a little concerned under the Trump administration that there's going to be added pressure on healthcare and pharmaceuticals. I own Pfizer. I own a mutual fund with probably about $50,000 in it that invests primarily in the healthcare industry. I don't plan on making changes to those right now, but I thought it would be an opportunity now to pull back a little bit on Bristol Myers, maybe put that money somewhere else where I could get more short-term growth to reach my goal. MicroStrategy, this is a stock I have bounced in and out of. I've done very well with the growth and volatility. I've made tens of thousands of dollars in this stock. Ultimately, I don't trust crypto, but I do suffer from FOMO on this one. I have, like I said, invested in this company in the past. I like the company. I like the owner, CEO of this company. I just got out of it before it jumped up recently in the last few weeks, but I got back in after the election. I see Bitcoin could easily hit $100,000. It's not tethered in any reality, and as long as people are optimistic, if they're buying, crypto and Bitcoin is going to go up. I put a position in Coinbase not long ago. I've done very well since the purchases. These are purchases that I've shared as I've made them. I think that MicroStrategy, Bitcoin, could easily go up in the short term, and I kind of jumped on the bandwagon. Again, this is a small amount for my overall portfolio, but I do hope to see this go up. Will I be a long-term holder? Not sure. I'd be happy to get 30-40% and exit this stock. But again, small investment based on my $2.7 million portfolio. And it is simply me suffering from the fear of missing out on this opportunity. Schlumberger, this is a oil and gas stock. I have not done too well in this stock. I'm kind of doubling down here, adding more, trying to reduce my average cost on this. I do expect oil and gas industry to do well. This is one that I've been holding for a while, and I decided to add more to it, hoping to bring down my average costs and get to the profit a little bit sooner. Tesla, I had bought some of this before earnings. Elon Musk pretty much bet the future of all of his companies on this election, and Elon Musk is one of the biggest winners after the election. I think Tesla stock is going to reflect that. I bought more. Even since I bought it on that Thursday, it continued to go up. Friday, it's gone up. We'll see how it fares here in the short term, but I do expect Tesla to do well. I think I have pushing $25,000 now into Tesla. I'd have to double check that, but I'm looking forward to seeing what Tesla is going to be able to do in the next few years. TDW, Valaris, these are oil and gas stocks that I think are going to do well now with the new administration. These are both companies that I hold. Both these companies I think I am down in the last 6 months. So this is just me reducing my average cost, putting more money in for the long term, expecting the new administration to bring, a different point of view on oil and gas stocks. Please like and subscribe at My Time to Retire, where I will continue to share my personal finance opinions, my investing opinions, and as I try to reach an early retirement, bring this $2.7 million portfolio up over the $3 million mark to $3.3 million so I can retire early. Follow along, track my progress, look at the decisions that I'm making, share your opinions, and please subscribe. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial, investment, or legal advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor, and all opinions expressed are my own. Investing and financial planning carry risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Please conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any financial decisions. Viewer discretion is advised.